Switzerland is famous for its stunning alpine landscapes and picturesque villages. The country is known for its high-quality chocolate, cheese, and watches. Switzerland has 4 official languages: German, French, Italian, and Romansh. The Swiss are known for their neutrality in global conflicts and have not been involved in any wars since 1815. The country has a direct democracy system where citizens can propose laws and amendments to the constitution. Switzerland is home to some of the world's most prestigious international organizations, such as the Red Cross and the World Health Organization. The Swiss are avid outdoor enthusiasts and enjoy activities like hiking, skiing, and mountaineering. The country has a reputation for its high standard of living and excellent public services. Switzerland is famous for its efficient and punctual public transportation system. The Swiss take great pride in their banking system, which is known for its secrecy and stability. The country is landlocked and surrounded by 5 countries: France, Germany, Austria, Liechtenstein, and Italy. Switzerland is one of the wealthiest countries in the world, with a high GDP per capita. The Swiss are known for their precision and attention to detail in manufacturing, especially in the watchmaking industry. The country is home to some of the oldest universities in the world, such as the University of Basel. Switzerland is a federal republic with 26 cantons, each with its own constitution and parliament. The Swiss franc is the official currency of Switzerland and is one of the strongest currencies in the world. The country is famous for its luxury resorts in the Swiss Alps, such as Zermatt and St. Moritz. Switzerland has a long history of neutrality and has not been involved in any military conflicts since 1815. The Swiss are known for their punctuality and reliability in all aspects of life. Switzerland is a global hub for international diplomacy and hosts many international conferences and summits. The country has a strong tradition of environmental protection and sustainability. Switzerland has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from German, French, Italian, and Romansh traditions. The Swiss are known for their love of cheese, with over 450 varieties produced in the country. Switzerland is one of the most peaceful countries in the world, according to the Global Peace Index. The country has a high standard of living and quality of life, with excellent healthcare and education systems. Switzerland has a strong economy based on manufacturing, banking, and tourism industries. The Swiss are known for their excellent public transportation system, which includes trains, trams, buses, and boats. Switzerland is a popular destination for outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and snowboarding. The country has a diverse landscape, with mountains, lakes, forests, and meadows. Switzerland is known for its efficient and reliable healthcare system, which provides universal coverage to all residents. The Swiss have a strong tradition of civic engagement and democracy, with high voter turnout in elections. Switzerland is home to many international organizations, such as the United Nations, the World Trade Organization, and the International Red Cross. The country has a long history of neutrality and has not been involved in any military conflicts since 1815. Switzerland is a global leader in environmental sustainability and has strict regulations to protect its natural resources. The Swiss are known for their love of chocolate, with some of the best chocolate in the world produced in Switzerland. Switzerland has a diverse culinary tradition, with dishes influenced by German, French, and Italian cuisines. The country is known for its high quality of life, low crime rates, and clean environment. Switzerland is famous for its luxury watches, with brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Omega based in the country. The Swiss are known for their precision and attention to detail in all aspects of life, from manufacturing to public services. Switzerland is a peaceful and stable country with a long history of political neutrality. The country has a strong tradition of multiculturalism and diversity, with 4 official languages spoken in different regions. Switzerland is known for its strong economy, low unemployment rates, and high standard of living. The Swiss are known for their love of the outdoors, with many residents enjoying activities like hiking, skiing, and cycling. Switzerland has a reputation for its excellent public transportation system, which includes trains, trams, buses, and boats. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from German, French, Italian, and Romance traditions. Switzerland is famous for its high quality of life, with excellent healthcare, education, and social services. The Swiss are known for their punctuality and efficiency, with everything running like clockwork in the country. Switzerland is a popular destination for tourists, with its stunning alpine landscapes and picturesque villages. The country is known for its neutral stance on global conflicts, with a long history of political neutrality. Switzerland has a rich history of art and literature, with famous artists and writers like Ferdinand Hodler and Friedrich Dürrenmatt. The Swiss are known for their love of cheese, with varieties like Gruyere, Emmental, and Raclette popular in the country. Switzerland is famous for its luxury resorts in the Swiss Alps, such as Verbier, Zermatt, and Davos. The country is known for its efficient and reliable public services, with high-quality healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Switzerland is a global leader in humanitarian aid, with organizations like the Red Cross headquartered in the country. The Swiss are known for their love of chocolate, with some of the best chocolate in the world produced in Switzerland. Switzerland is famous for its luxury watchmaking industry, with brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Omega based in the country. The country has a strong tradition of political neutrality, with a long history of staying out of global conflicts. Switzerland is home to many international organizations, such as the United Nations and the World Health Organization. The Swiss are known for their punctuality and attention to detail, with a strong work ethic and high standards of quality. Switzerland is one of the safest countries in the world, with low crime rates and a high standard of living.